Lesson 6. Operation strategy is the tourism and hospitality industry focuses on creating efficient processes that enhance customer experience while maintaining profitability. One key aspect is optimizing resource allocation such as staff scheduling and inventory management to ensure smooth operations during peak and off-peak seasons. Implementing technologies such as booking systems and customers relationship management (CRM) tools helps improve service delivery and streamline operations. Sustainability has become a crucial element of operation strategy, with hotels and resorts adopting eco-friendly practices to attract environmentally conscious travelers. Lesson 7. Quality management and control in the tourism and hospitality industry ensure that services consistently meet or exceed customer expectations. This involves establishing clear standards and procedures for service delivery, from check-in processes to room cleanliness. Regular inspections, customer feedback, and staff training are integral to identifying areas for improvement and maintaining high-quality standards. Additionally, implementing and continuous improvement approach helps adapt to changing guest preferences and industry trends, ensuring long-term success and customer loyalty. Lesson 8. Budgeting in the tourism and hospitality industry is essential for effectively managing financial resources and ensuring profitability. It involves estimating revenue and expenses such as labor, costs, utilities, and marketing to allocate funds efficiently across various operations. Regular budget reviews allow businesses to adjust to changing market conditions, optimize spending, and identify areas for cost reduction. A well-managed budget helps maintain financial stability while delivering quality services and meeting guest expectations. Lesson 9. Productivity in the tourism and hospitality industry is crucial for maximizing efficiency and ensuring the effective use of resources. It involves streamlining operations such as reducing check-in times or optimizing housekeeping schedules to deliver quicker and more efficient service to guests. Training and motivating employees are key to improving productivity as well. Trained staff can perform tasks efficiently and enhance customer satisfaction by continually monitoring and improving productivity. Businesses can lower costs, increase profitability, and maintain high standards of service.
Go.
Lesson 10. Efficiency and effectiveness in the tourism and hospitality industry are essential for delivering high-quality services while optimizing resource use. Efficiency focuses on reducing waste such as minimizing time spent on tasks and cutting operational costs without compromising service quality. Effectiveness, on the other hand, ensure that the services provided meet or exceed customers' expectations, leading to higher satisfaction and loyalty. By balancing both efficiency and effectiveness, business can improve profitability and maintain a competitive edge in the market. Lesson 11. Supply chain operations in the tourism and hospitality industry involve managing the flow of goods and services from suppliers to end consumers, ensuring timely availability of necessary products. This includes coordinating food and beverage supplies, rooms, amenities, and equipment for various services such as spas or tours. Efficient supply chain operations reduce costs, prevent stockouts and ensure quality standards are maintained. By closely monitoring suppliers and logistics, business can improve service delivery, enhance guest satisfaction, and remain competitive in a fast-paced industry. Lesson 12. Sales performance monitoring in the tourism and hospitality industry involves tracking venue, occupancy rates, and guest spending to evaluate businesses' success and identify growth opportunities. Regular analysis of sales data helps businesses adjust pricing strategies and marketing efforts to boost profitability. Labor cost computation is crucial for maintaining efficient staffing levels and ensuring that wage expenses align with operational needs. By closely monitoring both sales performance and labor costs, businesses can optimize workforce allocation, improve cost management, and maximize overall finance performance.